How to clear Google search history on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily clear Google search history on Android. So first thing, just head over to your Google Chrome browser and just click on this three dot icon at the top right corner and click on history, and you can already see the option to clear your history by clicking on this delete browsing data. So from over here, all you have to do is just select this options like this. If you want to completely delete your browsing history, just tap on this, and it may also delete all of your browsing history on your synced devices if you have logged into the same account in more than one devices. And you can also choose to delete or select or unselect these cookies and data from the site where you have already signed in or logged into your account, and it will also sign you out from most of those sites. So you can also do it accordingly, select it accordingly according to your choice. And once you do all of that, you can simply click on this delete data option over here, and if you find any one of those sites which are going to be deleted soon seem to be important to you, so you can also quickly uncheck it from over here. But if you want to completely delete it, you can simply click on delete, and all of your data or history should be successfully deleted. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.